Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a mini, I guess mini-ish Sephora haul. I just picked up a few new products and I wanted to share them with you guys. So if you're interested in the new products that I have picked up from Sephora, just keep on watching. Guys, so I have some fragrance for today's haul. I have beauty, I have skincare. So let's get started. Before I begin, you guys, I have to share this with you guys because this right here is Speak It Into Existence. So in the last video where I picked up two of the Danessa Myricks new color fix sticks, I told you guys that I was eventually going to have the entire collection because I fell in love with them. I have the entire collection. I received a PR package from Danessa Myricks with all of the color fix sticks, and when I tell you I was screaming when I opened the box and I saw that it was these, like I was just like, wow, I cannot believe it. So today I am wearing one of the colors that you guys, I don't even remember which one it is. Let me look for it. Okay, yeah, this is Duo 10, and I just took a little bit of the sparkly one, which is freaking gorgeous, and I just tapped it on my eyes. And that is how I got that glitter. I did a very simple matte eyeshadow makeup with another product that I'm going to show you guys. And it gave me the prettiest sparkle on the eyes. And it has like mint, a little bit of turquoise. It's just beautiful. So these right here, I definitely think that having the whole collection is just a dream because I love anything that's shimmery on the eyes. I am just a sucker for that. So thank you so much to Danessa Myricks for sending these over, and I am so grateful. Another product that I received in PR, and it is what I use to do this eye look, is from Makeup by Mario. These are the Master Matte Longwear Cream Eyeshadows, and I received this set right here, which again, I was screaming when I opened the package because it's just so beautiful. I used shade Chestnut and I put that all over the crease, and these are so nice. The way that they blend into the skin, and they do have a little bit of playtime before they fully set down. Once they set down, it's set. It's matte. It's like a beautiful finish. And I also used sandstone a little bit on the inner corner, and that just gave me like the most beautiful everyday neutral look. And then on top of that, I added the shimmer just because I have to add something to my eye looks. But if you're going to work, or if you want like a nice, more natural matte makeup, these are so nice. They're easy to use, they're quick, and I definitely recommend these. So you can find these at Sephora. So I didn't purchase these first products myself because they were sent over to me. Flur sent over the Mrs. Smith hair and body fragrance mist. When I opened this and I sprayed this on my skin, I'm gonna tell you exactly what this smells like. It smells like the green Jolly Rancher to me. It smells like candy. It smells juicy. It smells so irresistible. Like you can smell the apple, but it's more of like a candied apple, but it's so juicy and perfect for summertime. And I was waiting to do this haul because I already did my perfume tray with a few apple perfumes in my collection that I'm going to be layering with this body mist right here. But this is probably one of my favorites that has been released from Flur recently. It is just so good and juicy, and if you like apple, it's like a crisp, a little bit of that candy to it, but then it just settles down into a beautiful apple juicy scent. So this is just like right up my alley, and I was beyond excited that I received this in PR. So thank you so much to Flur. I also picked up two of the Magic Touch blush trios from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I wasn't going to pick this up, and then last minute I was watching Patty Alonso, so she showed the peach one, and when I saw the way that the peach one looked on her, I was like, okay, fine, I will get some. I wasn't going to pick it up, but I just couldn't help myself. So here is the peach one, which does look like it's going to be dark, like at least for my skin tone, because this on darker skin or tan skin will look absolutely gorgeous. But I noticed that it plays nicely so that many different skin tones can pull it off, because it doesn't look super pigmented, and it's like a nice formula where it doesn't feel too dewy. If you don't like those very balmy blushes, or you don't want like a super dewy look, these kind of blend out into like a powdery finish, and they give you the most beautiful look to the skin. And you can customize it, you can mix them together, you can use them alone. But I'm very excited to try this out for my next makeup look. And then of course I just had to pick up the pink one. It just looked so cute, and when you're traveling, this is perfect. So here is the pink one. So there's the pink shades, and then here's the peachy shades, which I swatched a little bit lighter here, but here they're a little bit more concentrated. But yeah, if you prefer like more matte makeup, or you just don't want like super dewy blushes, I recommend these so much, because the texture of it feels like it's a little bit more even blurring, like the formula feels more like powdery. So I'm excited to see how those work for me. I also picked up the new Kosas Soul Gazer mascara. I used this one today. I still don't know how I feel about this one. I feel like this one focuses more on length than on volume, so I kept that in mind. Yeah, it's a lengthening and lifting peptide mascara, a clean vegan peptide powered mascara with a I can't even say that, brush that gives a perfect grip for instant length, definition, and separation. I have to search some more on this, but I think that it's supposed to be kind of like those lash serums that help your lashes grow, but it's a mascara. So if you use it every day, it should help with that. I picked up another Rare Beauty lip gloss. I fell in love with them. I have like 4 shades now. This is the Positive Light Luminizing Lip Gloss in the shade Glimmer. So pretty. I wonder if my camera will pick up the glitters in it. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on right now since I haven't reapplied any lip products. So glittery and comfortable, and they smell so good, and the shimmer in them is beautiful. I love this formula, and I want to get the darker shades now too, because I've been seeing some lip combos and they all look amazing. So I went to Sephora not too long ago and I saw this one in person. I kept debating if I wanted it or not, and I wanted to swatch it myself in person, and I did, and I fell in love. So I want to try this blush for more like no makeup days that I don't want to have like a super pink cheek. I just want something that looks a little more natural. This is the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow Stick in Toffee. I was just scared that it was gonna look like too orangey or peachy on me, but here is the packaging. I already have 2 other shades of this blush, but this one is just an interesting, it's like a peachy type of shade. I'm gonna swatch it. It literally just blends into my skin, so you would think, why would you want that? But it does give you like this lit from within healthy glow, and it gives a little bit of color, as you can see. So it's kind of like this peachy glow that just looks so beautiful on the skin, and I really love this color. So I'm gonna add this to my everyday routine and see how I feel about that. For skin, I picked up this product from Edam. It's the first product that I have from this brand. This is the Mami Wada Mamacita. But here is the packaging. It's like a light green color. Ooh, that smells like a spa. It smells very aromatic. Yeah, that definitely gave a really pretty glow to the skin. Now, I think I'm gonna have this one in my bathroom, because this is going to be more for like skincare. But it definitely felt really nice on top of makeup. It doesn't feel greasy. It doesn't feel thick or anything. Feels really good. I have 2 fragrances. So I picked up the new Sol de Janeiro Sundays in Rio, and this one, I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't super excited about this one, because I don't know, I didn't even pick up the summer releases. I just feel like they weren't really hitting. The last ones that I picked up were kind of like but then when I saw this one, I was like, let me go ahead and try it out. It's described as savor the energy of a Sunday in Rio with inviting notes of warm vanilla, pink pepper, and amber musk. This one, I will say, it smells really good. I love this one. I'm very excited about it. I'm so happy that I got it. I feel like it smells freaking amazing. It's sexy. It's like sensual and soft at the same time. People are comparing it to 40, which 40 did not work for me because I think 40 has plum and I just cannot do that one. This one is so much better for me. It's also being compared to Vanilla Woods from the Seven Virtues. I can kind of see that, but I think I prefer this one. It's so inviting and sensual and just like woman energy. I love this. I'm so excited for it. Last but not least, I picked up the Ariana Grande's Love Notes fragrance, and this one is Plush Vanilla. So this one also smells really good. I got the travel size in this one. This one smells really good, but I will say it's not something that I will tell you run and go pick it up, because I feel like we've gotten a few releases that smell very similar to this. There is like this very sweet gourmand feeling to this one. It's fluffy, it's sweet, it's airy. There's nothing bad about this one, but right now I would give it like a 7 out of 10, 8 out of 10. It is a very soft skin scent. I can definitely smell the Sol de Janeiro one a little bit more than this one, so that kind of shows the strength of it is not too crazy, but it is really nice. And I think she took it back to like her older perfumes where they were more sweet and sugary, so that's definitely in here. And with that said, that is going to be it for my Sephora haul today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below if there was any products that you have on your wish list or that you have and you love. Go ahead and leave it in the comment section. And with that said, that is going to be it from me today. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video.